Hello. Okay. Next video. I just spat everywhere. Ew. Usually we'd use a clown white to buff this out and it would look a lot like... and it would look a lot... and it would... sorry.
It's okay.
Forehead wings. Shut up, Charlie. Come on. Focus. So... Sorry. Oh, I can't touch my face. Oh, no. Oh, that wasn't too bad.
Bless you.
Thank you, I'm so sorry.
Are you sneezing out colour when I'm
Probably. Oh God, I'm trying not to touch my face. Oh. Okay, I'm good. Sorry. Okie dokie smoky bear. So, okie dokie pokey smoky. Okie dokie pig and a pokey. Okie dokie other things that rhyme with pokey. Okie dokie smoky Loki from the Avengers. Okie dokie Torquay is a town in Devon. Okie dokie coochie copy. Okie dokie low key running out of ideas of things to say that rhyme with pokey. Oh, I'm so bloody giddy today. I don't know what's going on. Okay, calm. So then, for the next step, we're going to need a medium fluffy brush. Thank you, Goochie Copy. Merry Christmas. This is adorable. Thank you. So next, we're going to work on our eyeliner. So next, we're going to work on our eyeliner. So next, we're going to work on our eyeliner. Mother fluffer. Eyelashes. So next, we're going to work on our eyelashes.
Yeah,
the eyelashes.
the lash.
So next, we're going to work on our eyelash. I really wanted to say it. So next, we're going to work on our
We're going back to the seal.
Our eyelash. The eyelashes.
I'm going to say American here.
I'm going to say the eyelashes. Look at the little ghost. Okay, go on in. Oh no. Why are the textures so weird? Oh my God, that's very sweet. Pardon me. Oh my God, the peeps are trying to get back out again. What have I done? Oh. And so it begins. The peep rebellion in my tummy. Oh. Hello. Oh, fuck. I suck at this. I don't know. I'm trying really hard. No! My fluff! My fluff! Oh, how many levels are there? Let me just take a look. I pressed the wrong button. I thought that was going to take me back to the menu. Oh, poo! Oh, God, I restarted the bloody level! I don't know, it's kind of like Mad... Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God, I can't hold my nose when I'm doing this. Makeup! My word. Whew, that wasn't fun. And I hope everyone out there enjoyed this video as well. If you did like it, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe and all that jazz. Yeah. I just like the idea that this person goes around killing Santa Clauses. Why did I say that? That sounds very psychotic. You know what I mean, it's a backstory, shush. Oh my God, my nose is covered. That's horrible. Okay, so I don't like that it says break or honk. Oh no. Pardon me, sorry. Pardon me, sorry. Kind of sound like a bullfrog then. Pardon me. And yeah, Fluffies, so until the next video, awesome possum. Bye, Fluffies! Pardon me, oops. That wasn't planned. Pardon me, neither was that, whoops. And yeah, Fluffies, so until next time, yeah. And no, Awesome Possum is my gaming channel. So until next time, bye, yeah. And yeah, Fluffies, so until next time. That sounds weird now. Do I say that?
I don't know.
I think I say awesome possum on my gaming channel.
You do that on your gaming, yes.
Awesome possum. And yeah, fluffies. So until the next video. I'm also gonna sneeze. Crap. Hang on. Don't sneeze. 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 Oh crap. Sorry. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay. You did your nose flashing. I love it. Alright. I'll see you around, Fluffy. Wait, kitties! Sorry. Just said it's kitties! Oh, kitties! Oh my god, sorry. I'm sorry. I love kitty cats.
Hello.
Hello.